Now let's do a method I'm going to call graphing by intercepts. Basically, what I want you to do is to just graph the intercepts of the two equations and do the lines that way. So for the first problem, 2x plus 7y equals 4. Let's look at what happens when I let this first term equal 0. So when x is 0, what is y? Y, I can see if that term is 0, becomes 4/7. All right? So we're going to graph the point 0, 4/7. And we're going to see that that is just a little bit over 0.5. Now I've changed the scale on this a little bit because this problem has some interesting numbers. So let me rewrite the equation. And now I'm going to let y equal to 0. Oops, that's x right there. So when y is equal to 0, I have x, 2x is 4, where x is 2. So I can graph the point 2, 0. 1, 2, 0. Now I'm going to come back in a minute with my graphing line utility and put in the lines. It's just easier at this point in time to do it this way. Let's graph the second line in green. So I have 3x plus 5y is minus 5. So when x is 0, what point do I have? I have 5y is equal to negative 5, where y is negative 1. So I can graph the point 0, negative 1. Now, 3x plus 5y is negative 5. Set y equal to 0. So I have 3x is minus 5. X is minus 5/3. Now this is about, what, 1.67. So my point is going to be negative 5/3, 0. So it's negative 1, 0.5, 0.67. So it's about right there. Now I'm going to come back in with my graphing utility and put in my line. You're going to use a ruler. So it looks like the lines are going to intersect back this way. So does that hit them all? And now let's do this one right here. Is that about right? Having a little bit of trouble with that one. I need to move it. Oh, that one too. That one's not quite going through. So is that about right? Okay. Now, the one thing I do promise you is our answers will be nice numbers. So what is that point right there? It's negative 5, 2. So my solution is negative 5, 2.